dans l'université, tout, histoire de relation tout avec deux pays, ça, Cuba et Afrique du Sud. Nous disons qui peut le faire, nous tourner.
This is a General Electric Model X216A AM and shortwave table radio from sometime in the 1940s, probably early to mid 1940s. It actually has two shortwave bands. This one here goes from about 2 megahertz to 7 megahertz, and then this one down here is 7 megahertz to 22 megahertz, and then of course the AM broadcast band is there as well. Interesting thing about this radio is that most radios have a large loop antenna for the AM broadcast band, but this radio has no antenna at all inside it, so you have to use an external antenna really to be able to pick up much in the way of stations at all. I bought this at a Hamfest a couple years ago. It's in pretty good shape. I have a little bit of problem with dial slippage, the dial cord slipping every now and then, and I just use a little bit of violin rosin to fix it up periodically. It has 6 tubes and seems to be really a pretty good performer.
N'a dit tout auditeur, n'a continué avec nouvelle nationale yo, n'a dit que dans micro il a lié Baptiste dans radio La Havane. Nous t'attendons que une Canadienne infirmière qui bail service li dans pays d'Haïti, dans département du Sud là actuellement dans Tobec. Mais ça l'été bail tout détail.
It's a General Electric Model X216A from the 1940s.